All right, welcome back. Today should be a short one. We're just going to do introduction to the responsive web design challenges. So I think we only have 4 lessons here. Let's go to the first lesson. All right, so responsive web design is how it changes when you move the screen width. So it works on all devices, like a phone or a computer. So all right, so create a media query. This is really important in responsive web designs. So for the challenge, we want to add a media query so the p tag has a font size of 10 pixels when the device's height is less than or equal to 800. So if we want to do less than, then we do max height of 800. If we wanted to do more than, then it would be min height of 800. But since we want, if the height is less than 800, then we want to make the font size smaller. That's why we do this. And then we want to change the font size to 10 pixels. All right, let's see if that works. Yep. All right, so make an image responsive. All we have to do is add in this amount of CSS for images, and that will make them responsive. So I'm just going to copy and paste them over and then see how they change as the screen width changes. It sticks with it. So, all right. Use a Retina image for higher resolution displays. For this challenge, we want to make images half their height and width that they can be to make it higher resolution for higher resolution computers. So for this challenge, we want to set the image to have half height and width as of 200, because 200 by 200 is the original, so we want to change that to 100 and 100 for height and width. And then it should work. Let's hope. Yep. All right, here we want to make typography responsive. And we can do that with these properties of VW, VH, Vmin, and Vmax. So the way this works is it stands for viewport width or viewport height. So let's try, they want us to do an H2 with width of 80% of the viewport's width. So 80% view width, or view width, yeah. And then the paragraphs we want to be a width of 75%. So this one is Vmin of 75. So let's see what that looks like. Yep. Okay, so this width 80 VH or VW, that's 80% the view width. So it basically just makes it scrunch in more. And the P75 Vmin kind of does the same thing. So let's see if that works. Yep. And there we go. We completed that part of FreeCodeCamp. Next, we're going to do CSS Flexbox challenges. So, all right, see you then.